Coach Garrett here, and in today's workout, we're going to start out with a 12-minute E3MOM. So that's 4 sets for every 3 minutes, and you're going to be doing 5 pistols each leg for the practical and tactical. The difference will be the progressions that you do for the pistols. And then on the practical side, you will pair that with a split stance, single arm row. 30 seconds, one side, then switch 30 seconds as you can. As many reps for quality. And then on the tactical side, you will pair the pistols with max strict pull-ups. Now, if you can do more than 10 pull-ups strict, then you'll either want to add weight or progress to a harder pull-up by switching to more one-arm style push-ups, pull-ups, all right? And then for the field work today, we have 5 rounds of 45 seconds of work with 15 seconds of rest. And you're gonna do sandbag floor to shoulder, taking sandbag, get into your shoulder, switching to the other side, and burpees for the practical, and then rowing for calories for the tactical, and then sandbag lunges. And then finally, you will rest on that 4th minute. And then repeat that for 5 times for a total of 20 minutes. And then let's get on to the movements today. For the pistols, you're gonna wanna get that leg out front and strain that leg. And then lower with as much control as you can. And then pause in the bottom and then drive up. Keeping the heel flat, chest up as much as possible. And again, one of the big keys is keeping that front leg that's out, keeping it flexed, keeping it tight, keeping that chest up, getting your hands out front. Progressions is you being able to do a negative pistol. Control as much as you can. When you start to fall back, roll into it and then do a rolling pistol on the way up. And then the progression from that after that is doing a pistol negative, rolling back, and then using your hands as much as you need to get back up to complete the pistol. And then lastly, you can do a pistol to a box. All right, and then for the split stance, single arm row, you're gonna get into a split stance, and then you're gonna put your non-working arm on your thigh so you can brace yourself and be tight, get that chest up so it's nice and flat, and then you're gonna pull that weight, whether it's a kettlebell or dumbbell, to the hip, squeezing the armpit, lowering with control. For the pull-ups, you will do strict pull-ups with your hands just wider than your shoulders. Getting those legs together nice and tight, pulling until your chin's above the bar, lowering with control. If you want to make it a little harder, you could do a wide grip pull-up with much wider hands and pulling those elbows to the side, getting the chin over the bar. Then lastly, you could do a wide grip pull-up where you pull to one side of the hand more than the other and alternate sides. All right? For the field work, we have sandbag floor to shoulder. You're gonna get that sandbag so it's parallel to your feet. Your hips are back, chest is up. You're gonna drive your legs up, get it to the shoulder, bring it down, touch the ground, and switch to the other side. Again, get those hips back, chest up. Then you're gonna do burpees for practical. So you're gonna get down, chest touches the floor, push back up, bring your feet up, and jump explosively. And maintain the quality of that form and that plank position as you do the burpees. On the tactical side, you can do rowing, where you push with your legs, pull with your back, and then finish by pulling with your arms, and rewinding and reversing that order with the arms, back, and legs. Then lastly, sandbag lunges. You're gonna get that sandbag on your shoulder and you're gonna lunge. If you do it on where it's on the side of the shoulder, make sure that you switch sides either halfway through or by rounds. Okay, and you're just gonna step out, get that knee tracking over the toe, hip the knee, kiss the ground, and step back. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the workout for today. Crush it, and comment below how you did, what you thought of the workout, and you have a great one.